You can even let it line out. Sometimes the current can wash it away.
Happy to try that for sure. So put me under.
Don't let too much. Come on. Take it, Mr. Fishy. Take it, take it, take it, take it, take it.
And now wind it in.
Yeah, you can give it a go now. Try it again. And leave it a little bit longer. As soon as I wind this in, I'll give it a go. Yeah, I'd say about just a head would be good. You never try and get a snag undone like that because you end up snapping your rod.
Yeah.
I think we're going to lose my rod. Got a stick or something.
Oh. It's not a snag.
Was that, is that flapping?
Yes. Have I had a fish all that time?
I don't know. She had a snag and I thought she had a snag. I don't know whether I got a stick here or what's going on.
Maybe a stingray? It's an eel.
It's an eel.
Oh. I think it's an eel. It's something.
Check your rod, Clint. Hey. It's alive. It's not a stick. I don't know what it is. What the fuck is that?
Octopus?
No, octopus here. I have no idea what this is. It's not a turtle, is it? What is that? Oh my god, get that ready, get that ready.
Yeah, I'm going to the light now.
Slow down. Ready, way to go. Way to go.
Got hold of it. More.
Smooth it in now. Careful, just try and climb out of the net. Put the net down, put the net down. No.
He's got it, I can't. He's got hold of it.
You take the rod.
I'm down deep.
Hang on, stop. Stop. Take the rod.
I've got the rod. I've got the rod.
That's a joint one.
Holy shit.
Gonna lose it. Can't get it in the net.
Where's the
I
other
want you to move out the road.
Can I hold the rod maybe?
Hold down. move, don't move.
No, I'm not. I'm just trying to move out of the
Look at what Judy got. A giant mud crab. We thought it was a snag. Look at the nippers on that. That thing weighs about 3 kilo. Holy shit.
Put him in the live bait tank, maybe.
Nah, straight in the eye, so we'll kill him.
Okay. That's a guy?
Holy
Male?
shit, it's a male.
I didn't
Look
know.
at the size of that muddy. It is massive.
Go me! Woohoo! Do you want like a ruler?
Yeah, move the ruler.
Try and... Oh, that's what you throw in coffin.
Yes! Winning! Giant male mud crab.
Woohoo!
Judy goes off. So Judy thought she had a snag and had the line out there for a good 5-8 minutes whilst I was getting really good bites. And then I had a couple of plays with it and I thought it was snagged. Tried to get it undone a couple of times. But then I lifted it really hard and high just to make sure that it wasn't a fish, and I could feel it give and it came in a little bit. Then I realised that there's actually something on the end of the line, and then because of the dark brown colour we both thought it was an eel at one stage, but then it must have flipped up and it's got tangled in the fishing line, and I could see its back flipper coming up, so I actually thought it was a bloody turtle. Lo and behold, it's about a 3, possibly even 4 kilo mud crab, about 150 bucks, 180 bucks worth. The nippers are massive. I'll show video later on and the size of it compared to my hands later on once it's dead, because I don't really want to touch it. I don't want to get bitten, but it's on the ice now, so it'll go to sleep on the ice, and yeah, I'll be able to show you after that. But how cool is that? So we've had the mud crab in the ice. He's still a little bit alive. I hope he doesn't freaking bite me. Just have a go at that. Look at the size of those nippers. Hey, look at the size of that nipper there. What a monster. And it's a male. Definite male. So he's going to be very yummy, that one. Yummo. I haven't had one for about 20 years.
Sorry, I haven't got you in it.
Yeah. So that's the one we caught today, and I said I'd do a video, so he's been sitting on the ice there. I'm just about to cook him up, so he's not going to nip me or anything. But that's the size of the nippers that I said I'd measure it, and I'm going to have a go at the size of that. That's nearly as big as my hand. That's my fingers spread, that's my fingers together. There's the nipper's nearly as big as my hand. And that's the other nipper. The other nipper's a little bit smaller. They always have one nipper bigger than the other. So there he is there.